the solutions so our children can play in pure, clean water and blue skies above. It's not a fantasy, we'll make it our reality. We've got to all come together and start planting the seeds. Mother Nature needs us. We were blind, but now we see. We're so afraid of pollution, but we can find a brighter day. Let's work on the solutions so our children can play. We've got to all come together and start planting the seeds. Mother Nature needs us. It's up to you and me. Chicken leader said the sky is falling down. We've got to work together to keep the world going round. Let's think about our children.